Hello, in today's video we're gonna replace this rear vent of this console that belongs to a Ford Fusion. The procedure that we're gonna follow applies to any Ford Fusion from the model year 2013 up to 2020. The first step is gonna be removing this cap that goes in the back side of the console where the vent attached, and it's pretty simple. For this I'm gonna use this plastic tool. I will recommend you guys don't use a screwdriver or anything like that, because that will scratch your plastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna use this one a little bit bigger. Now we're gonna plug this harness. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna detach the vent from the cover. In order to do that, there are 6 clips. These 2, there is another one here, 3, 4, and then 5, 6. So in some way I'm gonna manage to start to lift every clip, and then at the same time push the vent in order to retrieve this vent and then detach it from the cover. Aquí está. Now I'm gonna place the new vent, which is actually not new, it's a used one. I got it online for really cheap. Or also you can get one in a junkyard. Either or, it will work. All the clips snapping really well. These 2, each of the sides, and those 2 as well. And now everything looks fine again. So I'm gonna just place back this lid in the car. Alright, that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys, and I will appreciate if you click on like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.